Welcome back. In the previous parts we have upgraded our game screen and worked on its backend. In this part we are going to work on the menu, which can be accessed right from this screen. So let's open our window menu. As always, we will start by removing the unnecessary stuff. Let's change title to options. Height will be 290 and width will be 400. Set the resize mode to no resize. Windows Start application will be center screen. We will remove the border, so window style, set it to none. Let's set the font family from our resources, so pack, colon, 2// application, colon, comma, 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 / hash, kv We will use layout rounding, set it to true. We will increase the default font size to 30. We will allow transparency, set it to be true, and the background will be transparent. When we load this window, we will need to work with this user control game. So in order to do it, we need two events, and that is loaded and closed. We will not code today, but let's just create such events and create a closed event. Here will be 4 buttons: continue, restart, main menu, and exit game. So we will need our resources, window resources. So we will have a style for buttons. We will just increase the default font size to be 30, just as we have it on our window. And in addition, we will have a checkbox to enable or disable music. Let's copy it from window options.xaml. So we will copy the checkbox style from here. Copy, you can close it, and just paste it here. I think we are done with the resources. Because we have no border, we need to create a custom one. So we need a border. It will be of Dodger blue color. So border brush, set it to Dodger blue. Also set the border thickness to be 5. Now let's make it cornered, like 10. And we'll add 1 pixel margin. Now inside of it, we will have a double border. So we will copy and paste it here, but this border will be of another color, hash ff00b5c5. Border thickness will be 2. We will have a linear gradient brush background here, border background, and here we will set it. So as I said, we need a linear gradient brush. Its starting point will be 0.5, 0. Its endpoint will be 0.5, 1. It will have 3 gradient stubs. The first one will be Alice Blue, set its offset to be 0.0. Then we will have our second gradient stub. Its color will be antique white and its offset will be 0.5. And our final third gradient stub will be again Alice Blue. Its offset will be 1.0. We will have a grid here, set its margin to be 10. And here we will have 5 rows for 4 buttons and 1 checkbox. So grid row definitions. Our first row, its height will be star. Actually, every row will be a star. So all our rows are of equal height. So in the first row, we will have our button for continue game. So button, grid row will be 0. It will have a click event. Well, every button will have a click event. Let's call it button continue. Press F12 to create the event and return. Give it text, so content equals continue. Then our second button in grid row 1, maybe we should give it a name. Let's call it button restart. So it will have a click, button restart click, and the content will be restart the game. And in addition, let's give it an icon to the left of the text as well. Let's make it a tooltip instead of content. Inside of it we will have a grid with 2 columns. The first column will have width set to auto, and the second one will be of star width or without a specified width. So in the first column we will have an image. Set its grid column to 0. We will set its source, pack, colon, 2// application, colon, 3 commas, / images, / reload.png. Let's limit its max height to 20. Set its stretch property to uniform. In the second column we will have a text block, grid column 1, set its vertical alignment to be center. We will add a left and right margin to it. Its text will be just restart. Let's copy this button it will be in grid row 2. Its name will be button main menu, and its click will be appropriate as well. Its tooltip will be return to main menu. Inside of it we don't need a grid, we actually need only a text block. So let's put it here. We don't need grid column anymore, also we don't need margin. Its text will be just main menu. Let's copy another button, our first button. So this will be our fourth and final button. It will have a click event called button exit. Okay. Its content will be exit game. Also in the last row we will have a checkbox. So checkbox, it will be in grid row 4. Its name is going to be checkbox music. It will have a bottom margin, 0 left, 0 top, 0 right, and 5 on bottom. It doesn't need a click, but it does need content, and its content will be just music. That's it. Let's see how it looks. Okay, good. But it doesn't react yet. We already have the receiver of commands, which is our user control game. But we haven't programmed a sender, which is this window. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more tutorials.